You gonna carry it? Okay, let's go. Are you excited you have a package? Okay, let me open it. Okay, let me open the door. You're such a big boy. What is that? You got a book? Well, I think she forgot to put stickers on the package. Let's look inside. What's that? Digging machines? What are those? Underwear? Augie, let's look at them. Oh, well, show me. What's on your underwear? Well, I don't think they go on the kitchen floor. What are those? You got some stickers. What are you going to do with those? Yeah. Wait a second. Oh, those are cool. What are you going to say to Grandma? Here, Augie, look up here. What are you going to say to Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Oh, those are cool. I know.
I have more.
What's on those?
Truck. I have truck.
What kind of trucks?
I don't know.
Cool.
And this is the book sticking machine. This is a book. The list way we should
You're going to take it on the couch?
Yeah. I will take these here.
Okay. What's that? What are those? Underpants? Maybe it's a book about your underwear. Yeah. You got special things? Wait a minute, what? What is that? Ramon? Is there a sticker stuck on there?
Yeah. Look at that.
Let me see. What is that? You brought your underwear over too? You know, you have to go in the potty so you can wear those underwear. I think your butt needs to get bigger. Cool. Maybe we'll talk to Grandma later. You could show her. Would that be good?